Baby, welcome to Malaysia. So Malaysia is a very well developed, fast growing country. So amazing. It looks a modern country. Malaysia, it's growing very fast actually. And I'm really happy to be here and explore Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur for the very third time. So there's so many Indians. There's so many Indians who are here, who are born and brought up here, and are working in Malaysia for a very long time. So probably you get to see more than 60% or 70% of Indians living and working in Kuala Lumpur. So as I mentioned, there's so many Indians living here. Apart from Indians, there's also so many Chinese, and I see a lot of Indians who are living and working here, and many places. So just to let you know, most of us think Malaysia is cheap. I don't agree with this. I've been here 3 times. This is my 3rd time, and I definitely don't agree about it. And I'm thinking about it right now. What is so cheap actually? What is so cheap? I don't see literally compared to India. For Indians, in the mind of Indian actually, I'm letting you know that this is not a cheap country in the world actually for Indians. Right, most of us think Malaysia is pretty cheap. That's not the case. I'm experiencing this, and especially now after coming for the 3rd time, I see I'm little kind of I feel it's not expensive. So I booked the hotels. Hotels here cost you more because you need to pay the tourism tax. You need to pay the taxes and the fees apart from the tourism tax, apart from the main charges actually. So it costs you more for the hotels. Apart from the hotels, there's also food. So there's a lot of Indian foods here, especially since there's so many Indians. There's also there's other restaurants as well. So since I'm picky, I just go to the Indian restaurants. What to do, guys? I'm just picky, just from the very beginning of my life. So you go to Indian restaurant, you have different varieties of the food. What you eat back home, more or less actually. It's not really what you eat back home, but more or less you get the same food actually. And it costs you, I just had my lunch right now and I paid 12 ringgits 50 cents. I'm not sure I need to calculate, but it's 12 ringgits 50 cents. I had a meal in a normal basic restaurant in Kuala Lumpur. So, as I mentioned, everything is expensive. If you want to stay in hostels, actually, which is less cheaper, actually, but here, even the hostels, there's a tourism tax. There is the taxes and the fees, so it costs you more, actually. So, if you want to know more about more information about how to travel actually either to Malaysia or Vietnam or any other countries I've been to, 9 countries in total. I just arrived from Vietnam to Kuala Lumpur. So in case if you want to know more information about how to travel, what are the charges, how does it work, do you need a visa, not visa, if you need a visa, how does it work actually, what's the policies, I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions and more than happy to help you out with this.